Oh, it looks pretty dirty. You want to change it if it looks like this. It's really bad. Not as bad as it could be, but it's not good. We're using a floor jack to height the car up, make it safety-wise. Make sure you have a parking block of some kind, or this 2x4 with a little thing on it so the wheel won't roll back, just in case. And make sure that the parking brake is engaged. You want to make sure you get the frame and not the body of the car. You don't have that much of a clearance, so adjust it. So we're now jacking up the car. You want to get it just high enough where you can get under there and get
under there.
Huh? It's going to require a 15mm bolt socket wrench to undo the oil plug. Okay.
Yeah.
Drain plug is go. Say the drain plug. Look at the drain plug and inspect it. Make sure it's no sand in there, no rocks, no metal, shavings. Don't dump it in there. Just take it out. We're going to see how it looks.
Okay.
Now we got to remove the air filter, oil filter. But you got to center the oil pan because.
Okay.
Oh, you did it without the wrench.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at you.
I did.
You crazy lady.
It's okay.
I guess. Put
Okay.
the filter on the cardboard.
Okay. On there.
Yeah, because I don't want to put it on the oil, so I have the cardboard there.
Okay.
And here's your towel.
Okay. Thank you. I need a towel.
So let everything drip out. Now we're gonna go replace the oil filter. Good.
Okay. Just away.
Clean that area where the oil filter is a little bit.
Yeah, but it's still dripping.
Okay. Then let it drip and go get the oil filter.
Okay.
So let everything drip out. You can see both dripping. Drip, 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 drip. You're gonna want to clean around this thing here with the cloth.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, we're ready to put the oil filter on, but this is dry. We want to grease it. So the only way we can grease it is the old oil we use. Stick your finger in there. And then run it, just get a little coat on it. That's all you need. Okay, and go ahead and clean it.
Okay, clean now. I think. Yeah.
So you were able to go with that without a wrench.
Yeah.
Which means you better tighten a little tighter a little bit. You don't want that thing to loosen up on you when you drive, the vibration of the car. There's an oil filter wrench you saw in the chair there. Okay. You see the way you treat it right? Tighty, lefty-doosey.
Okay.
I always suggest you use. Let me try it. Let me just tighten it for you.
Oh.
Okay, you're going to need the wrench for that one.
Yeah, after a little bit.
Yeah, you definitely don't want that to come out.
I just did it. Oh.
So you got the cap on nice and neat. It's all cleaned up, not much drip at all, which is good. Because if you had dripping oil on your casing, it gets hot, and then you'll smell it when you drive because it's like a burning smell of oil.
Okay.
You don't want the burning smell of oil.
Okay.
So now you get the wrench and tighten that baby up. No excuse. You can't do that by fingers. There's no way. You got to turn the switch the other way. Remember the socket. Righty tighty. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There you go. Righty tighty. Okay, now we got to release the jack. You know how to do that? Put it in the hole. Turn it slowly, slowly. Slowly, so the car comes down slowly. Gradually, just turn it there slowly. See the car come down?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Keep on turning it. Keep on turning it. Don't stop.
Yeah.
Okay. Now just go ahead and pull it out. And there you go. Put your tools away. This is the wrench to take off the oil filter, but we didn't need it. And it's a small one. You got to get a small one. You can't get a big one. So pretty much. Okay, so this is the oil 020. The problem we had was this is extended performance. And since we have 5 quarts in this big thing here, these small ones, this is the advanced fuel economy. I don't like mixing them up. The same number is okay, but just to be uniform and make it all smooth, don't want to mix it up. Make sure, biggest thing is, this was really dirty. You got to clean them. You got to clean them spotless. Spotless. I mean really spotless, because whatever is in here is going to go in your engine. Careful you put in there, because it's going to spill all over. You don't want to spill any on their engine. If you spill any on the engine, it's going to smell and it's going to burn the engine off for a long time until it's burned off. You want to put almost all of it in there, the whole thing, believe it or not. Because that's only 5 quarts. And we're just going to use shy of 5 quarts. And remember that the oil filter you have in there is brand new. So that's going to absorb some of the oil too. And all of it can go in the crankcase. Most is going to go in the crankcase, but there's also going to be some in the oil thing. So I'm going to show you how to make sure everything's all good and handy, because you're going to check it, triple check, and everything.
Maybe check this.
How much oil you got left? See, that's how you tell. So you got about maybe 4.1.
Yeah, check it.
So let's run the engine. We're going to allow the engine to run, but let's go check it real quick. What do we got? Let's clean it up first, because you can't. You see these 2 marks there? Little, just shy of this, right about that little hole is, little just above the hole in the line.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Make sure you just don't dip it like that. Push it all the way down. There, click. There you go, because that's how you're going to check the bottom.
Oh. I see now.
Okay, now let's run the engine for a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure this thing's closed when you run the engine. We're just going to get some of the oil into the oil filter. That's empty right now. So we're going to do what they call is priming it up. Let the engine drink all the oil that's there. And about 2 minutes. Little rev, a little bit. No, not that much. You don't need that much. Okay, let it idle. Just let it idle. Get your foot off the gas. Let it idle. Let's let it run. What, a good minute. No gas. Let it run for 1 minute. Okay, cut it off. Okay, now the oil is just dropping down. It's settling in. Now we're going to check the oil now. This is going to give us literally what's in the engine. So with the cap on, we can go ahead and just check the oil, because it's all been pressurized in there. Clean that up real quick. You know where it's got to be. Put it straight in. And then lock it, and then pull it out. You see it? There you go, guys. Tilt it. See, you can tilt it because you can see it. So it's right about there where the hole is. Let's do it again. It's good to do like 3 times. 3 times is always a charm, as they say. Don't double check, triple check. It's a car maintenance thing. It's very, very, doesn't happen much, but when it does, you make sure everything's done the right way.
There.
Yeah, you're good. Nice and clean. This is a good sign. One more time. Third time's a charm. Nice and clean. Okay, it's consistently that area, so I mean that's where your oil is at.
A little less.
A little less, yes, fine.
It's okay.
never overfill.
Okay.
Always look at the fluid levels, brake fluid. It's there. It's just shaking it like that. It's perfect. That's how you do it. So that's good on brake fluid.
It's cool.
Your radiator fluid.
It's in between.
It's a little,
Yeah, it's on the middle.
but it's not minimum.
Yeah.
Minimum is down here, so you're good. You can use more, but we don't have more to put in, so you're good to go.
Okay.
So and the thing that we need to do is we have to buy before I go, which would be an oil filter, this air filter. Gotta take it out and replace it. Okay, that sucks all the intake. It's very easy to take out. Just gotta put one in first. Okay, we can buy one at the local O'Reilly's shop.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get you one before I leave. So how do you feel about changing your oil again? You've done it before. You're now become a pro. If my wife can do it, anybody can do it.
That's true. Okay.
Okay, slam it.